Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil VW Atlas full guide. Start by warming the engine briefly, then secure the vehicle on level ground and engage the parking brake. Locate the drain plug under the oil pan and the oil filter accessed from below or top depending on engine trim. Prepare a drain pan, remove the plug, let oil drain fully, then replace the filter and reinstall the plug securely. Warm oil drains faster, so keep the vehicle safe and use gloves when handling hot parts. Remove the drain plug and let oil drain until it slows to occasional drips, then reinstall the plug with a new gasket if needed. Unscrew the oil filter, drain its oil into the pan, lightly oil the new filter gasket, and hand tighten the new filter to the manufacturer's torque or snug specification. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY car guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for sturdy comfort and a lifetime warranty, great for garage days and long drives. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair and support the channel while staying cozy. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the recommended oil slowly using a funnel to avoid spills, then wait a moment for oil to settle before checking the dipstick. Start the engine for a minute to circulate oil, then shut it off and recheck the level. Add oil only to reach the full mark. Inspect under the vehicle for leaks, tighten fittings if necessary, and reset any maintenance reminder per the owner's instructions before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.